Arlo Ultra 2. For anyone who wants a high-quality outdoor security camera that can capture crisp, detailed, full-color recordings at any time of day, the Arlo Ultra 2 is my choice as the best option for video quality in 2023. Arlo's Ultra 2 is one of the best outdoor security cameras currently available and can store footage locally without a sub-subscription, compatibility with almost any smart home system, and top-tier video quality. It has the same sleek monochrome design as previous models and is available in black or white variants, depending on your preference. The camera is relatively easy to install and has a weatherproof design to withstand harsh conditions. Unfortunately, it requires a smart hub to connect with your router for internet access, but it offers local storage for your preferred recordings via a microSD card slot.